Hey, my name's Owen, you're watching Ninja Flight, and today we're going to make this paper airplane. So step one is to fold the paper the hot dog way so it is nice and skinny. And make sure that your lines are perfectly lined up, well, as good as you can get them. And after you've done that, see, it's almost perfectly lined up. And so then after that, you're gonna fold the corner down to here to make it look a little bit like a triangle. Sideways triangle, just like that. Repeat it on the other side and make sure that right there is perfectly lined up right here. Just like that. And then you're going to do the same thing, but it should be a little longer. And just like that. Repeat on the other side. Make sure it's perfectly lined up. And then you're gonna unfold that just like this. You should see that middle center crease going up a little, just like that. And once you have that, it should be a little up like that. And then you're gonna fold this, the top point down to that center line as low as it can go down to the bottom of the paper. And if you have little lumps like right here and right here, you could just crease those down, it's okay. And then after that, you're gonna fold this part to make it so it's a little like two corners instead of one. And after that, repeat on the other side. Make sure that they are as good as they can be. Just like mine aren't perfect as much. It's okay, because you see that one's a little longer and then that one's shorter. It's okay, it's still gonna fly. And then you're gonna fold that up as high as it can go until it hits those creases. Just like that. And after that, you're almost finished. You're gonna fold that up right on the center line. You see the center line? I'm going to fold that as good as I can get it. After that, you're going to fold this down just like that. Just like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure it's as good as you can get it to be lined up with the other one, just like I did. And then last step is you are gonna fold this part up. Just like a little like that. And repeat on the other side and you are done. Okay, and that is it. And yeah. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and click right here to see more videos. Click up here to subscribe. Bye.